have more than 200 teams. This year we have from the everywhere USA, or the top USA national team. We have a team from Taiwan, from China, Canada.
Hey, we're ready.
Well, this is our 23rd event. It's one of the largest dragon boat races in North America. It's one of the premier events within the city of Long Beach.
Better not be smiling during that race.
Adaptive Fusion is a team for deaf and blind paddlers. We also have some paddlers that are able to see for support.
This gives something to me, and it's so refreshing and empowering.
Most sports where it's a mixed sport, but they don't get cute jobs. Whereas on a dragon boat, women are usually the lead strokes or the caller.
You know, I thought there was like no connection between the people in the team, but then I realized it's all like a family unit.
What do you enjoy most about dragon boating?
It's the people. Go UCLA! Go Bruins! Woo!
First place, Q Dragon already picked up the team.
Get it in.